Welcome to the Prince Tech tutorials. So today we'll be talking about folders, creating new folder on desktop, creating new folder on existing folder, renaming, deleting, copy, cut, and paste into folder. So let's get started. So now this section I'll be talking about how do we create new folders on your desktop. Don't forget in the last sections I told you this is called desktop. That is the interface you see after your your system is on and you get booted into Windows. So this is your what? This is your desktop. So how do we create folders on your desktop? Very easy. The first step is you right click on the first space. You'll see new. Can you see? So when you click on the new, you left click on the new, then you click on folder. Firstly, we've created a new folder. So now how do you now rename? How do you edit your folder? Very easy. Let's say I want to rename my folder to, let's say, the prince. So what I will do is that I'll left click first, then right click, then you see uh some context menu displays. We call this context menu. You see them, we have open, pin to quick access, give access to, restore, and the likes, pin to start. So what are we looking for here? We are looking for renaming. Can you see? So you click on renaming, then you click on your backspace on your keyboard. So when you click on your backspace on your keyboard, you type what you want to save it to it. You see that press, very easy, then you press enter. That is the first step. And now on how to rename your folder after creating it. Then the next thing is how to delete your folder. Let's say for example, I don't need this uh the prince again. That is this folder. I want to delete it. Very easy. The same step. You right click on it. After right clicking, you will see delete. Can you see? Now note something. Anything you are deleting on your PC goes to your recycle bin. So which means you can still restore it back. So how do I restore my folders on my recycle bin? This is my recycle bin. You double left click, you will see everything deleted. You see there, it's still there. So it's not deleted permanently on the system until you come here to delete all. So now, how do I restore the folder? Don't forget the prince is the folder. So very easy. This is the folder. So I will just double left click. It will bring out this dialog box. Then you will see restore. Can you see? This is restore. You left click on restore. You see, and you press OK. So let's go check. Let's go check. Can you see? It has been restored. So that's how to restore deleted folder. Do you understand? So now let's quickly go into uh, creating a new folder on an existing folder. Let's say for example, let me use one. Let's say for example, I want to create another folder inside this. Okay, let's say I want to create a folder. I'm looking for where to create a new folder. Okay. Let's say I want to create a new folder inside this press. Let's use this folder. So what I'm going to do is that I will open the folder I want to create a new folder under. I will right click, then I will click on the same procedure, new folder. Can you see? This is the new folder. So I can actually rename this also following the same procedure. So let's say I want to rename this as new. Very easy, can you see? So that's the same procedure of creating a folder inside an existing folder. So now another thing is how to copy, cut, and paste. Now listen to this. Copy means replicating something. Cut means removing something totally. That is, you want to remove that thing totally. That is cut. Now you can't copy, you can't cut without prompting an action. That action is what makes the copy and the cut towards to come up. For example, if you copy without pasting, it won't work. So it's a must you copy then you paste. It's a must. You cut and you paste. Very easy. So now let's say, for example, I want to copy this, and don't forget what I said. Anything you copy still remains in the source. That is the source location. Anything you cut, it should be totally removed from that source location straight down to the new source you want to bring it to. So now let's say, for example, you want to copy these images away. Don't forget it will be here and it will also be inside the folder you want to copy to. So how do you copy from your desktop? For example, these images. You click on it, you right click. Don't forget a context menu display. You will see cut and copy. So let's go for copy first. Copy. You see it's still there. So if I come to where I want to paste it, you right click here, you click on, when you right click you'll see it won't bring out copy and cut again, it will now bring out paste. Then you click on paste. Can you see this is, can you see the images is here and it's also here. So now let's quickly treat cut. Now let's say I want to cut this. Very easy. You right click, you click on cut. Don't forget I said it will totally remove it. So then you come here, you click on paste. So you close. You observe the image is not here, but in the new source. That is how to copy, that is how to cut, and that is how to paste. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Thank you.